Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on fake freckles. I get asked all the time how I do my fake freckles, and I've been meaning to film it for a while, but I'm kind of suck at filming things. So I know it's winter time, and most of the time people wear fake freckles during the summertime, but you know, better late than never, and I like to wear fake freckles all year round. I like to use fake freckles whenever I'm fake tan and I don't have enough of my foundation that matches my fake tan color to kind of like look like a brown on my face, maybe a little tan. Also, when you have really bad breakouts, like all over breakouts, is really good because where you can't cover up, you know, the texture of what it looks like, even though you can cover the redness and everything, but you can't cover up the texture. Do some fake freckles and guess what? It just looks like freckles. Anyways, I'm gonna just jump into the video and I hope you all enjoy it and I hope this works for you. This is a technique that I've come up with on my own. It's really lengthy and takes a lot of steps, but I promise it's worth it in the end result because it looks the most natural. It doesn't look, you know, eh. Okay, so for the first step that I do, I already have my foundation on, concealer, and a cream contour, and I put powder on. After I powder, I, you know, buff off the excess powder, and then I go in with a setting spray and I set my face. I do setting spray throughout each process of putting powder on because it makes my makeup stay on the whole entire day and it does not look powdery or anything like that. I have really oily skin and this is just what really works for me. So now, before I go in with bronzer contour, what I'm going to do is take any eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take the Morphe 3502. Anything that's got a bunch of browns in it. And what I'm going to do is take a little spoolie. Mine's dirty. Sorry. Spoolie. You know. I'm going to pick a brown. Any of them, doesn't matter. I'm going to pick a light. I think a lighter one first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of scuff it up like so. Let's see. Alright, so once I've done that, I'm just going to pick it up. And it's got some on here. Lean back and just kind of tap. Not hard, just lightly. And I like to do mine kind of in this little area. And I do like to get mine kind of other places around my face as well. Next, I'm going to take my sponge that already had some powder on it from where I put my powder on, and I'm just going to press in. I had some powder left on it, so that to me works the best. This is just going to kind of pack them down, and it's also going to lighten them some. But that one I don't really like, so I'm kind of just kind of moving it around. So that's first layer. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go into bronzing and contouring. And that will be right there. Alright, so after I went in and bronzed and contoured, I just went in and I baked. And now that I've let my bake set for a little bit, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wipe that bake off. You can either go in that same color or you can go in a different color, like a darker one or a lighter one. It doesn't matter. It's up to you, personal preference. I'm going to go into one that is a little bit darker. Same as that thing. And then you can just kind of sprinkle where you feel like you think you need it. Ooh, went in way too heavy right there. Ooh, oh, I just smeared it. I can fix that. BRB. This is what it looks like before pressing it in again. In some spots I did go heavy, but I will fix that. And same thing. And then after I've done that, take my setting spray. This is the Ofra. So I'm probably going to insert a clip because you probably can't see it again. This is what it looks like so far. Now I'm going to go in and blush. And I'm just going to do my blush. And you can put blush across your nose if you want that like sun-kissed look. Alright, then we're going to do like we've been doing. Pick your poison. And like I know now I don't want any more up top. I want a little bit more over here and just some over here. But you'll know where you want to put it. So you're just kind of focused on those areas. Alright, and so this is what it looks like right now before. And I'm going to go back in and press. And then settings, right? And so for Freckles, during the highlighter phase, I do it in like a two-part kind of thing. So what I'm going to do is before I put highlighter on, I'm going to check and see if I feel like I need any more. I want just a little bit more, so I'm going to go in and do just a tad. Then we'll go in and pat those. And it go up, so that way you're not swiping them. Smearing. And if you have like some that are too dark, just swap to your side, got a little bit of foundation on it, and pat it. And it'll lighten it up. Alright. So I am happy with the way this looks so far. Now we're going to go in highlighter. And just do that. Good. And this just helps keep look like the real freckles, because then if you have real freckles, they will be sheer and your makeup will be on top of them, you know? Okay. So like the way that looks, so I'm going to spray. And I don't let the spray sit on top of my makeup. I make sure I fan it. That way it doesn't run and it doesn't ruin my eye makeup or anything. That's why I like to do the eyeliner and mascara very, very end. Final freckle steps. Are you ready? This step is optional. If you feel like you need some that just stand out a little bit more, what you can do is go in with a dip brow. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. You can't even see that. Go with dip brow with a very, very fine tip brush. One that I'm using, I've actually cut it so it's not this fine tip when you buy it. So I would tell you, but I customized it. So you can go in. Then I'm going to make sure I rub off the sides good. And then I'm just going to go in and dot anywhere that I feel like may need some oomph. And that is it for Freckles. You can go in and dab them out anymore if you think that you need to, but personally I like the way that they look, so I'm just going to end it right here. Alright, and that was today's video about fake freckles. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel already if you aren't. But I really hope, again, that you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next